Hey yo, what is up guys? Like I said, I told you I was going to do a review of this puppet that I ordered, and it's finally here. It came in this little bag, so yeah, let's take it out. Has like instructions in the back. Here's the rod. Alright, so here it is. So you can see right here, Melissa and Doug. This is a construction worker, Harry I. Beamer, and yeah. Let's see what else. So like the rod right here, it's connected to his back right there. I'm just gonna take it off with scissors. Let me get my scissors. These are really bad scissors, so I don't know if we'll cut through this. So let's try. Well, it cut through it. So we're gonna take the tag off. We're not gonna just rip it off. We're gonna cut that too. If it does, I don't think you can cut it, guys. And oh, by the way, this is really warm. There we go. So here it is. This is my first time putting my hand inside a puppet. Alright, let's see how this bad boy works. Okay, we managed to put him in. Hey guys, so like, ah. Okay, so like, so here he is. Say hi. He is very cool, and he was my first puppet ever, so